Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And here I am going to take the third trimester. Isn't it exciting? Wow! अब आप प्रेगनेंसी के इस दौर से जल्द ही निकलने वाले हैं एंड आपके सामने रिजल्ट आने वाला है. बहुत ही अच्छा फील होगा जब आप अपने बच्चे को अपने हाथों में लेंगे. So here I will cover the topic week wise. Yes. 28th वीक टू 40th वीक जो कि थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर रहता है, बट मैंने इसको पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 में डिवाइड कर लिया है. पार्ट 1 में मैं कवर करने वाली हूँ 28th वीक टू 33 वीक. सो हियर लेट्स स्टार्ट. 28th week of pregnancy and your baby is now the size of pancake. It's so wonderful feeling, right? Yes. Your belly is totally visible and you will feel that your belly is going to burst. This is the right time to celebrate your baby shower and also I already mentioned आप ये टाइम पे जो है आप मैटरनिटी शूट कर सकते हैं. You can contact your photographer and also right time to fly. You will have a lot of nerve pains like sciatic nerve pains जिसमें जो है आपको सांस लेने में तकलीफ होती है and you feel very tired. ऑल्सो इसी टाइम जो 28th वीक जो रहता है, जैसे कि मैंने कहा ऑलरेडी आपको सांस लेने में तकलीफ होती है, ये टाइम पे आप जो है मेडिटेट कर सकते हैं. सुबह उठ के यू कैन जस्ट डू अ लार्ज इनहेल एंड एक्सेल. दिस विल हेल्प यू आउट फ्रॉम द शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रेथ. एट दिस टाइम यू विल फील कब मेरे हाथ में बेबी आए और मैं एक दूसरा एक्सपीरियंस फील करूँ. Here is 29th week and your baby is now the size of broccoli. And the best part is baby can now listen, smile, cry and lot of expression in the womb. Definitely ये हमें दिखाई नहीं देगा, ना ही समझ में आएगा, but it is a very good experience overall. I would suggest that please do ignore doing lot of workouts without consulting your gynecologist or without consulting your trainer. Please do not do. इसके अलावा आप जो है वाटर एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं. वर्कआउट लाइक यू कैन डू सम स्विमिंग. इट विल ट्राई टू बूस्ट योर मूड. यू विल फील मोर फ्रेश इनफ एंड विद दैट आपका जो few parts of your area will loosen up and you will be ready for the delivery. Let's come to the 30th week of pregnancy and here your baby is almost the size of eggplant. यहाँ पे इस वीक में काफ़ी आपको भी नींद आएगी क्योंकि काफ़ी टायर्डनेस फील होता है. बेबी जो है काफ़ी प्रोटीन्स एंड अलग सारे हमारे बॉडी से सारा स्ट्रेस वो लेते रहते हैं एंड ये टाइम पे बेबी भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा सोते हैं. एंड विद दैट यू विल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ बॉडी चेंजेस एज वेल. बॉडी चेंजेस में अगर कहूँगी तो देन यू विल हैव अ चेंज इन योर ब्रेस्ट एरिया. इट विल मोर बिकम visible, huge, where there will be a milk inside and this shows that you are ready for the breastfeeding. Here let us come to the 31st week of pregnancy where I am describing all the details week wise. Your baby is becoming more and more stronger and you need to also have a lot of nutrition food. Try to take a lot of nutritious food. You can also take few of the health supplement as well in this time. And with that you have to start talking to your gynecologist where you have to be ready for the hospital bag. You have to make your maternity bag ready because this is the time where you are ready for delivery. If you have chest pain or if you have shortness of breath, please do consult the doctor immediately. But do not fear at the time because these are the very common symptoms. हर औरत को ये होता है. So with that, if you are having a heart palpitation, which is very common in the late stage of pregnancy, do not fear. You have to consult your gynecologist at this particular time. Now we will move to the 32nd week of the pregnancy, which I am covering in the first part. 32nd week of pregnancy and your baby is now the size of cucumber. Friends, let me tell you that over here your baby's fingernails are fully developed and the best part, baby is growing very very faster. जैसे ही बेबी फास्ट ग्रो कर रहा है आपके फ्यू एरियाज ऑफ योर बॉडी में काफ़ी स्ट्रेच मार्क आएंगे, बट डू नॉट फियर, ये बहुत ही slowly gradually ये marks चले जाते हैं. Just you have to take care of your body yourself, like by applying some moisturizing cream, by applying some oil, and the area which you have more of the stretch marks are now your thighs area, your lower abdomen and the pelvic region. स्ट्रेच मार्क के लिए मैं एक अलग वीडियो बनाने वाली हूँ where I will let you know that how you can remove your stretch marks. With this, in this week, you will have few times you will feel headache. But what you can do is you can just sleep straight, and or the left side where your blood pressure will gradually become very normal and you will feel much better. यही टाइम है जब बेबी ऑलरेडी रेडी हो रहा है एंड बेबी इज रेडी फॉर डिलीवरी. सो यू कैन जस्ट इन्वॉल्व योर पेरेंट्स, यू कैन इन्वॉल्व योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स बाय कॉलिंग देम. यू विल डेफिनेटली नीड सम हेल्प बिकॉज बहुत ही स्ट्रेस होता है. व्हेन यू कीप योर फैमिली टुगेदर विथ योर सेल्फ you feel much better. बहुत जन होता है कि they don't want anybody, only they want their husband to be close by. That is also not a problem. Just consult your gynecologist whenever you are feeling any kind of heavy heart beat or any palpitation. So here is the 33 week, the last week, which I am adding in the first part of this video. And here the organs are definitely developed, but the lungs still need some time to develop. With this, your hair will definitely try to become more stronger, the above area, but the below area you will feel some frizzy. Please do not do waxing at this point of time or any kind of bleaching. Please try to avoid chemicals at this point of time. Other than that, is just try to find out a hospital very nearby your area where your gynecologist is nearby, which will definitely help you out during the time of delivery. Also in this week, your hand, you will feel numbness, sometimes tickling. So this is very common symptoms in the time of pregnancy. Let me finish now this first part of third trimester, and congratulations, you are going to be a great mom. Do not forget to watch my second part of third trimester. So see you there. Bye bye.